In this video, we're going to show you what you get in the box when you purchase an R-Tech MIG 251. Now the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the owner's manual. Now this is filled with some handy information on how to set up the machine, and there's a troubleshooting guide at the back should you run into any issues. Now don't worry if you lose this, as we have downloadable copies available on our website. Next up, we have the machine. Once you've removed this from the box and taken off all of the outer packaging, we ask you to give it a good once over to ensure you're happy with it. And now we have the accessories box, and inside here you'll find everything you need to get the machine up and running. So we'll go through what's included now. First up, we have the MB25 MIG welding torch. This reliable 3-meter torch is lightweight and comfortable and pairs perfectly well with the MIG 251. And as you'll see, it already comes with some consumables fitted to the end of it. And now we have the earth lead, again very reliable with a very strong grip, and this ensures a strong connection to whatever it is that you're welding. Our earth leads are actually rated to a higher amperage than what the machine can output, so it should last you quite a while. In the box, you'll be glad to see that we include a high quality twin gauged regulator with all of our machines. And to connect the regulator to your machine, you will find a reinforced gas hose included. And finally, we include a small bag of consumables that comes with an extra roller should you wish to use 0.6mm filler wire. Now that wraps up everything you get in the box when you purchase an R-Tech MIG 251. Now if you have any questions on this machine or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We do have a trade counter which you're welcome to pop into, and we do offer free demos on all of the machines in the R-Tech range, and details of this can be found over on our website.